Hello, and a warm welcome to World This Week by latestlaws.com. This is your weekly legal roundup, so make sure to hit the bell icon to receive notifications every time a new video is uploaded. I will be taking you through some of the most significant orders and judgments passed by various courts across India, along with a few major international updates. Let's begin with the Supreme Court this week. The Supreme Court addressed an unusual situation this week where a trial court refused to decide a criminal case merely because the deadline set by the apex court had expired. The Supreme Court strongly criticized this approach, stating that such a stance by a trial judge is completely impermissible, and directed the concerned judicial magistrate to submit a full explanation. In another important ruling, the Supreme Court quashed criminal proceedings against a complainant's father-in-law, mother-in-law, and sister-in-law in a high-profile marital dispute. The court noted that the allegations made under Section 498A, Section 377, and Section 506 read with Section 34 of the Indian Penal Code were general and vague, and did not disclose a prima facie case. The bench, comprising Chief Justice Bhushan Ramakrishna Gavai, Justice K. Vinod Chandran, and Justice Atul S. Chandorkar, underscored the necessity of precise and substantiated allegations before criminal prosecution can proceed. The Supreme Court also directed 2 judges in Delhi to undergo a 1-week special training at the Delhi Judicial Academy, after finding serious lapses in the manner they granted bail to 2 accused in a cheating case involving rupees 1 crore and 90 lakh. The division bench of Justice Ahsanuddin Amanullah and Justice S.V.N. Bhatti observed that both the additional chief metropolitan magistrate and the sessions judge at Karkaduma courts had glossed over crucial facts and binding precedents while granting bail to Dharampal Singh Rathore and his wife, Shiksha Rathore. Additionally, the Supreme Court has taken up a case with significant political and legal implications involving Samajwadi Party leader Azam Khan and his family. Tazeen Fatma and their son Abdullah Azam Khan have approached the apex court seeking relief in a matter concerning alleged forged birth certificates. Earlier, the Allahabad High Court had stayed the sentences imposed by the Rampur trial court, but declined to suspend the conviction, thereby maintaining their disqualification under Section 8, subsection 3 of the Representation of the People Act, 1951. Now moving on to High Courts. The Delhi High Court reprimanded the Rajasthan Police for illegally arresting 2 minors from the national capital without notifying their parents or the local police. The minors, relatives of a tribal man allegedly killed in Madhya Pradesh police custody, were reportedly taken away by men in civilian clothes. The observations were made during the hearing of a habeas corpus petition filed by the mother of one of the minors. The Madhya Pradesh High Court dismissed a writ appeal filed by a police constable who challenged his compulsory retirement after being found intoxicated while on guard duty. The court upheld the disciplinary action, noting that such misconduct in a disciplined force could have grave consequences for law and order. The bench also highlighted a growing concern about social media intoxication among police personnel and urged senior officers to take corrective steps. The Bombay High Court directed the deletion of several defamatory social media posts targeting Malabar Gold and Diamonds Limited for hiring a Pakistani origin, London-based influencer for promotions in the United Kingdom. Justice Sandeep Maan, while granting an ad interim injunction, also directed social media platforms to prevent the publication of any future defamatory content against the company. The Karnataka High Court directed the state government to recover a grant of rupees 5 lakh provided to a madrasa run by Samara International Islamic School in Thanisandra, after the school education department revoked its recognition. The division bench instructed the Principal Secretary of the Minority Welfare Department to verify the funds allocated and take necessary action as per law. In the end, we have miscellaneous news. The Central Administrative Tribunal strongly criticized the Kerala government for an inordinate and unjustifiable delay in forwarding the Vigilance Status Report of Indian Police Service Officer Yogesh Gupta to the Ministry of Home Affairs. The Ernakulam bench directed the state government to submit the report within 5 working days of receiving the order. The order came in response to a plea by Yogesh Gupta, currently serving as the Director General of Fire and Rescue Services, Civil Defence and Home Guards, Kerala, who also sought disciplinary action against officials responsible for the delay. Thank you for watching and have a great day. This is a weekly program, and for more updates, please check the description box for weekly information. Like and subscribe to our channel.